Hey there, people. Well, it's the last scrapping day of the week for me. I got a truck that has nothing in the back, so today's the day we gotta do it. Got my lucky hat back. It's clean. Let's go scrapping.
I work 3 shifts below the ground, under the street, beneath my town. I drill and bolt, break hard rock. I set the charge, I never stop.
When I go home, I've earned my pay. I just don't have that much to say.
Lakes are starting to freeze up. Well, I might as well start feeding my new business. The TV guy now. 4 TVs, 1 stop. 15 cents a pound. Physically, these TVs are gonna kill me, man. At least with the fridges and stoves, I can lean them and lift. These, I gotta clean and jerk them. Anyway, it might be worth it. 15 cents a pound. Let's find some more crap. Yeah, last week I picked up the doors from this fridge. Now the fridge is out. Go grab that. I'll have 4 of these now. Steamer chest. There's my buddy. Wood. No wood. Wood very, very bad. What's that? TV number 5. Yeah, what a change in weather. Like, it's like +6 out here. Well, anyway, my trip's pretty much done. Time to drink some beers, I think. Good old Santa. Still hitchhiking. Should pick him up. So I guess I didn't kick ass in tin tonight, but I did pick up 5 TVs. I have 3 other TVs in my yard. Got a bunch of VCRs, some old stereo equipment. Yeah, maybe we'll bring that back tomorrow. So I know a lot of people are gonna say like I should strip the TVs to get the copper out and that, but like my hands are messed up. Like some of you know that. Like I just can't. So I'm just going to return the TV as in like that, like 15 cents a pound is 15 cents a pound. The only thing with that is it's all the way in Hanbury, which is maybe a half hour away. But the good thing is gasoline lives out there, so maybe we'll go for a visit. Who knows? We'll see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, people, cheers. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Look, it's a cat in a box. Cat in a box.
She knows her boxes.
Oh, she loves her
Just
boxes.
like her daddy.
Haha, you're funny.
Headbutt, JJ. JJ, headbutt. Headbutt. He's the headbutting cat.